Can you get rich by trading Forex? Let's have an open discussion before we enter into the world of Forex trading. Before trading currencies, it's essential to understand a few key points. Every Forex trader, without exception, faces losses on some trades. Forex is not a miraculous way to become wealthy rapidly. In fact, almost 90% of traders experience losses. This is frequently due to a lack of planning, insufficient training, a lack of discipline, the absence of a sound trading strategy, and bad money management. If you don't manage losses well or are a perfectionist, trading may be difficult for you. Remember that every trader experiences losses at some point. Forex trading is not suitable for those who are unemployed, have low incomes, are drowning in credit card debt, or are struggling to afford essential bills. Now let's speak about how much money you'll need to get started. You should have at least $10,000 in your trading account, if it's a micro account. And it should be money you can afford to lose. Don't get your expectations up with just a few $100s, expecting to become extremely wealthy overnight. The Forex market is big, liquid, and known for strong trends, making it appealing to traders worldwide. However, only a small percentage find true success. The problem is that many people enter the market with the expectation of making large gains, but lack the discipline required to perfect trading. Consider sticking to a diet or going to the gym on a regular basis. If you struggle with these, imagine succeeding in one of the most difficult but financially rewarding pursuits. Short-term trading is not for beginners, and it is certainly not a quick way to make money. Remember that huge earnings come with big risks. Engaging in a strategy with significant risk can result in variable success and significant losses. A trader taking such risks may not even have a suitable plan. It is more like betting than trading. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. To be clear, Forex trading is a skill that takes time and effort to learn. Skilled traders can make money, but success, like any other career, does not happen suddenly. Forex trading is not easy, unlike common opinion. If it were, everyone involved would already be millionaires. Even seasoned specialists with years of experience suffer losses from time to time. Remember that there are no shortcuts in Forex trading. It takes a lot of effort and experience to become excellent. There is no alternative for hard work, intentional practice, and perseverance. Begin by practicing on a demo account until you have a procedure that you fully understand and can confidently execute that works best for you. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, but guess what? Our journey doesn't stop here. Make sure you're subscribed to catch all the latest trading tips and strategies. We've got some awesome free courses and killer knowledge-based videos waiting for you. And hey, it won't cost you a dime. But trust me, it's gonna make a world of difference in your trading game. And hey, do us a solid, smash that like button. And if you think this could help out your trading buddies, hit that share button too. Your support means the world to us. Tell us what topic next you want us to cover, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Until then, happy trading.